Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Moors are awake. We are taking our place on this planet. I'm about to show y'all police harassment at its finest. He's going to admit that he already knows that I turned myself in, but he's going to harass me anyway. Listen. Right, he didn't identify himself or nothing. He's in plain clothes. It's illegal to be in plain clothes and pull somebody over.
I know, but there's something else though. You gotta set off for me.
Something else like what?
The car chase we were in.
What car chase? I'm an American Moor. 8 USC 1324. I'm an American Moor. 8 USC 1324. I'm an American Moor. 8 USC 1324.
Sir, you gotta step out of the car, please.
I ain't been in no car chase, man.
Sir, step out of the car, please.
I haven't been in any car chase.
I'll explain it all to you when you step out.
You don't have to explain nothing to me. You harassing me.
No, sir.
Yes, you are. I already went up to the police station and turned myself in. So whatever you harass me.
I'm well aware of that.
You harass. He said he's well aware that I went up to the police station already and turned myself in. Okay? Now listen. Right, if I've been to the police station already, you ain't got no business harassing me. So have a nice day.
You ain't leaving again, man.
You ain't got no business harassing me. So have a nice day.
You ain't leaving again, man.
What in the doohickey? Did this male Moorish Karen really just pull off on the police in the middle of a traffic stop? Whoa, this man is really off his rocker. I don't understand how he thinks this is going to turn out in his favor. Why would you pull off in the middle of a traffic stop? The police has their body cam on and the car has a camera. This is not gonna go well.
You ain't got no business harassing me. So have a nice day.
You ain't leaving again, man.
On my way to the police station again. This is harassment. If you told me you know that I turned myself in already and you are pulling me over again, I'm gonna feel my life. Because you on something else now. If you already know I turned myself in, why you pulling me over again? You know, you ain't got no reason to be. None whatsoever.
I wonder what it was that he went and turned himself in for. One can only ponder. So this is yet another Moorish sovereign in a high-speed chase with the police. I don't know what is going on with these people. Moorish science got these people acting crazy.
Slowing down, going 20 miles an hour on, refusing to pull over.
Going 20 miles an hour. That ain't no high-speed chase.
You're right, sir. It's not a high-speed chase, but it's still a chase because you're refusing to pull over for the police. You just took off on them, and now you refuse to pull over. even if it's only 20 miles an hour, you're still evading the police.
That ain't no going 20 miles an hour. That's high-speed chase. That's eluding evading. 20 miles an hour. Really? No, that's driving to the police station, bro, because you harassing me, bro. I don't know what you on. I think you trying to kill me on the slick, bro.
West on 103rd.
Now, 20 mile an hour high-speed chase to where? I'm not eluding evading him at all. Going 20 miles an hour. It's not a high-speed chase. Okay?
He's pulling in front of the district.
I'm pulling in front of the district. I pulled to the station. And there's the police station. Right there. So,
What you doing? Don't snatch me out of my car, sir. It's out of your car, man.
I'm at the police station with all the police. That's eluding evading the police. Wait. You got an officer that admits. He admits that he knows that you turned yourself in already, right? And is trying to snatch you out of your car after telling you you turned yourself in, right? Now you infill your life and drive to the police station, right? But they saying that's eluding evading. You go 20 miles an hour. You heard it, 20 miles an hour. No high speed chasing or nothing. Just casually drove to the police station to be comfortable with more police around other than just him by himself. Telling me he trying to pull me out of my car by himself, not in the police uniform or nothing, and telling me he know I turned myself in already. Knowing this shit. I mean, how much in fear of my life can I be?
No, I came up here because this guy keeps harassing me. I just came and turned myself in. So for him to keep harassing me,
I'm an American Moor. 8 USC 1324.
he just started telling me to get out of my car. What for? I'm in fear of my life.
Police
I
station.
came up here to turn myself in already. I'm in fear of my
Look
life.
at the police station right there. All the police. Where did I elude and evade to? To the police station. How am I eluding and evading the police if I drive to the police station
Keep harassing me like this. I can't.
at 20 miles an hour?
We're going to be impounded. Yeah, we got one of those right now.
They're going to impound the car and everything. Straight harassment.
I sold him to. Is that okay?
Okay. So this Moorish Karen got pulled over by the police. And he sped off on them. And where he went, he drove to the police station. I do not understand what is wrong with this man. There is seriously something wrong with this man's mental. All I can say is, whoa. Now let's get one last word from this Moorish scientist.
Moors are awake. We are taking our place on this planet.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.